So very good evening all the participants. Today
Good evening,
let
sir.
us briefly go through sections 1 to 6 and we'll see some jurisprudence also on this issue. But before we go to section 1, let us quickly go through this preamble because this preamble is very important. And what are the main issues in this preamble? Can anybody tell me? What are the 5 main issues which are covered in the preamble? What is the first thing? What is the first thing that you think is the essence of that conveys the essence of this preamble?
Unification of
Unification.
various codes.
Okay. So basically consolidation
Yes.
and amending the laws. And in every case, you have to try for insolvency resolution first. Whether it be of corporate persons, partnership firms and individuals. So everybody is covered here. So it is intended to be a one-stop shop for all insolvency related issues. Time-bound manner is another important thing. Maximization of value is another important aspect. And besides that, there are some incidental advantages like promotion of entrepreneurship, availability of credit, and balancing the interest of all stakeholders. Another important thing is alteration in the order of priority of payment of government dues. So government dues are at a lower pedestal and they have established a regulator also, IBPI. So section 1, as it says, it applies to the whole of India, including J&K. And naturally, the government has reserved with itself the right to notify it in parts. Some of the parts are not yet notified, particularly this part 3. Part 3, which relates to individuals and partnership firms. So as of now also, there are no rules and regulations, except in case of a particular type of individuals and partnership firms who have given guarantees to corporate debtors. Then section 2 says that it applies not only to companies, it could apply to special companies also. But in case of special companies, if there is any inconsistency, then the provisions relating to insolvency in those acts, they will prevail. Like LIC is governed by a special act, Food Corporation of India, Central Warehousing Corporation, and so many other acts are there. So in those cases, suppose in LIC Act also, there is a provision relating to insolvency, then the provisions which are contained in that act, LIC Act, will prevail. This is the meaning. It covers LLPs also. It covers such other body incorporated under any law. So it could be a foreign company also. That is also covered here. Personal guarantors to corporate debtors. They are also covered. Partnership firms and proprietorship firms. And individuals other than persons referred to in clause E in relation to their insolvency, liquidation, voluntary liquidation or bankruptcy as the case may be. So all these things are covered. Now section 3 contains various definitions. The most important